Hi, this little tutorial I'm about to show you is an explanation of how to save images on your browser to a Pinterest board. The first thing we need to do is go to a browser of our choosing. It can be Firefox, it can be Microsoft Edge or Explorer, or in my case, I'm going to go to Google Chrome. Takes a moment to load. Now, the key component to saving images to Pinterest is to make a Pinterest button or to upload a Pinterest button. I want to show you how to do that. It's very simple. First, you go to Google. If you don't automatically have Google, let me show you. You can easily just type in the web address box. You can see up here in the upper right corner, just type in Google, and it will help you out. So you have Google. Okay, once you do that, the first thing you're going to do, next thing you're going to do rather, is type in Pinterest button. Like that. Okay, this will bring up a bunch of articles. The article you're looking for is Save Pins with the Pinterest browser button. That's second down. I'm going to click on that, and it shows you how to install on the various browsers. Since I'm on Chrome, I'm going to go to the Chrome Web Store page, and you can see Pinterest Save button, 4.5 star, 3.5 stars. I think it should be bigger than that, but okay. And then we're going to do Add to Chrome. Probably whatever browser you get will get something like this. Do you want to add this extension? It says it can change all your data on the website you visit, blah, 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 whatever. Yes, it's perfectly safe. Add extensions. And you see over here on the right, Pinterest Save button has been added to Chrome. Well, good. You can see a little button there, and it's inside there. But what's going to happen now is this little P is going to show up on just about every image. You can see already. You see these images, that little P? That means it's saving to Pinterest board. So let's say I need to do something involving, I've got Alexander McQueen there, fashion designer, something about Alexander McQueen. Okay, I'm going to go to Images, and it brings up a whole bunch of pages. So let's do Alexander McQueen's women's wear. So we have an image here, over here on the right side, and you can see whenever I click on an image, the little Save button comes up. I put my cursor over that, and it gives me recommendations of which buttons to save. Now, I don't need to save it to one called Binders Full of Recipes, so I want to save it to Mary Beth's folder on the Cohort 2 secret board. Whoops, I lost it. There we go. So I'm going to go to this little drop-down arrow, and it's going to give me a bunch of options. All the boards I have Cohort 2 Research pins, which is for this project, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to scroll down to Mary Beth Babcock. There, I've saved it. Now, don't worry, Mary Beth, I will. Oh, look at that. I just saved my first pin, so I get a parade. Yay! Okay, so that's that. So that's how that works. And don't worry, Mary Beth, I will delete this as soon as I finish this tutorial. It also not just works for images, but on the image page of Google, but anything that you might, any article that you bring up. Let's see, Alexander McQueen Wikipedia page. Any image you can save. Same deal. Go down. There we go. You can look at it in Pinterest or close. We'll look at it. And there you go. So far you've got 2 in there that I was put. I will go ahead and get rid of those. So that's basically it for this. This is how you save. I'm trying to delete this puppy. There you go. This is how you save pins to your board. It's very simple. If you have any problems, please feel free to email me at any time. You can call me at the office, but I won't be there that weekend. The number is 662-329-7353. I'll even set up a Zoom if that might help. But try this method. The Pinterest button is free. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't do anything mean to your computer. So hopefully it will help you out, and I hope it will give you years of productive pins. Anyway, that's all I have to say. Thank you.